Welcome to SIS online classes. Myself Kader Khan. Today I will teach you class 3rd science chapter 1st living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. You will see many things surrounding here and there. That is man-made or natural things. It is man-made or natural things like box, pencil, comb. These things are by man-made. These things are by man-made. So you will see the things surrounding. One types of man-made and second things called natural things. Man-made, first of one, man-made like box, pencil, desk, chalk, duster, and so on. It is a man-made thing. Man-made. Second one, man-made like box, pencil, chalk, table, chair, etc. These are man-made, but except man-made things are called natural things. What is natural things? Natural things means the things is giving, or the things give us by nature is called natural things. Natural things like animal, plants, humans, stones, soil, water, etc. Animals, plants, humans, stones, soil, water, etc. These are natural things. So the topic is living or non-living things. This one man-made or natural things, and the topic is living and non-living things. Living things means the thing gives us from natural, like animal, plants, humans are living things. And non-living things. Living things means gives by natural and some properties are satisfied. So it is called living things. Whenever then box, pencil, chalk, chair, duster is chair, duster non-living things because of they have no any properties exist, whether exist like living things, exist like living things. First of thing, some characteristics of living things, some characteristics of living thing. Characteristics of living things. First of one, living things move. Living things move. Movement. Animal like fish swim by the help of fins. Fish move by the help of fins. Is that clear? By the help of fins. Cat move by the help of legs. By the help of legs. Dog also move by the help of legs. Human, that means human moves also by the help of legs. By the help of legs. So fish swim by the help of fins. Cat, dog, human are move by the help of legs, but birds fly by the help of wings. By the help of wings. Is that clear? So living things, animal, humans and plants also. Some example, touch me not. A one type of plant, touch me not. Touch me not, also known as Mimasa. Touch me not are one type of plants or known as Mimasa. When a person or a human body touch this leaves, then these plants or these trees leaves are shut down. Yes, leaves are shut down. This is one type of movement. This is a one type of movement. Second one is sunflower. The direction of the sun, the sunflower faces in this direction. In the direction when sun east to west, the sunflower towards this direction. This is a one type of movement. But it is living things. But pencil, box, chair, table, no movement. Whenever these types of object can apply force then move it, but without force cannot be moved. So living things can move. Living things can move. This is the one characteristics of living things. Second one, second thing, living things grow. Living things grow. Grow means growth. That is grow. Living things grow. Human, a baby slowly growing to an adult, to slowly growing to for adult. Baby slowly growing to for an adult. Is it right or wrong? Yes. Baby slowly growing to get or to form an adult. Puppy slowly growing to get dog. Is that clear? Puppy, a small baby is called, or little baby of dog is called puppy. Then puppy slowly growing and get dog. Kitten slowly growing to grow cat. Grow a cat. Grow a cat. Yes, and then these types are animals, human. These are animals and seedling. Slowly growing to form. Slowly growing to form a tree. Seedling slowly growing to form a tree or plants. But this type, this human, this one, this puppy and kitten, animal and seedling are plants. So living things there, living things grow, but pencil, box, chair, table cannot grow. So living things grow, but non-living things cannot grow. So the living things can grow. It is the characteristics of living things. Next one, living things need food. Living things need food. Living things need food. Food is an essential for every living thing. We need food for energy and healthy and to stay home. Yes, that all the living things are most important food. All the living things is needed most important food. So food, why we need food? To generate energy, healthy. Another is food is essential for any plants because of say grow or to prepare your cells to grow leaves or to produce another plants or more plants. Living things need food. Without food cannot be perform any work. Need food means a consumption of energy. Food is an essential for living things. Plants make their own foods in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll by the process photosynthesis. And this food that we get or take directly or indirectly. So living things need food must. But a doll, a pencil box, a chair, a table, a green board, a chalk need food to eat or to create energy or to do some work? No. Doll is not need food for create energy to do some work, but living things also need food to do some work. Is that clear? So characteristics of living things, one of them living things can move. Living things to grow, living things need food. I hope you will understand this part of this chapter. I will teach you remaining part in this chapter next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. कितना मिनट